In this video, I'll show you how to OCR PDF documents using Tenoshare's PDNob. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I've got a PDF with me here. It's a scanned PDF right there. You can make selections on it or whatever. Now, what OCR is optical character recognition, and what OCR helps us do in Tenoshare's PDNob is make these texts or whatever you want editable. Now, I'm going to open this file in Tenoshare's PDNob, and please take note that the OCR feature is a paid feature. Most of the features are free, but the OCR feature is a paid feature, so you may need to buy Tenorshare PDNob more or less from the link in the description below. So I'm going to right click and open with Tenorshare PDNob, and it's going to open up, and by default it's going to notice that these are scanned PDF. Perform OCR to make it editable and searchable. So I'll just click on that. So it gives you a new dialog box: OCR PDF, output format, scan to editable text, scan to searchable text in image. I want to scan to editable text. Page range, I do have about 21 pages here, so you can set a range: current page, all pages, custom, but I just want all pages. The document language, it's in English. More than 3 languages will slow down OCR recognition speed, which is okay. I'll just click on perform OCR and it's going to start processing. And because the text on the images or the slides are in this particular PDF are not too many, it will not probably take a lot of time. But please take note that depending on the number of languages, the number of pages it has to go through for the OCR, it may take a while before the OCR process is done. So it's at 90%, almost done, 100. Once it's done, it's going to give us a new PDF here. So as you can see, we now have text boxes that you can now edit to whatever you want. You can just undo that so that we leave it as it is. You can change the bounding boxes, move them to whatever you want. You can see that you can move the images, but please take note that they do take some of the background with them, so it's good to take a note of that. Just take a note of some of those subtle changes or issues, but you can make changes, and once you click on it, it's going to kind of give you what font is being used. You can make these changes right here. Go to the next slide. Right here you can remove something, welcome, full stop, make a couple of subtle changes to anything that you have here, but mostly the text is now editable into whatever you want. And that is how you can use the OCR feature in Tenoshare's PDNob to OCR PDF documents. As always, remember to file, save as, and save it the way you want. I'll click on save and it's going to be saved. So you've got the original, and now you've got the editable that you can actually edit the way you want right here. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.